Here we have a 2019 BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with just under £7,000 worth of optional extras, including the M Sport Plus package. We also have the Premium package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels as well just down here, all in excellent condition. Blue M Sport brake calipers are just behind. We have the mineral white exterior metallic paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front kidney grills as well. We have the gloss black front splitter just down there. And right to the passenger side you'll find the second alloy wheel, once again in excellent condition as you can see. Taking a step back you'll find the colour coded door handles and door mirrors. You have the side skirts along the bottom, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the sunroof, which is currently on a tilt. This can also get opened all the way as well. We have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler lip as well. Here is a closer look now at the third alloy wheel, excellent condition. Taking a step back and coming around to the rear you find the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have a reversing camera as well. We have the dual exit exhausts. And if we press this button on the remote, the boot will open just like so. Nice, easy, quick release. Inside of here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. As you can see, two storage bits at the either side as well. Closing that back up and coming around to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the fourth and final alloy wheel now, again excellent condition. Coming inside you'll find the full black leather interior. We have the M Sport style seat belts just there. Foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well. We have the separate climate control for the rear passengers just there. The ambient lighting on the doors, electric windows, premium Harman Kardon sound system as well. Coming into the front you'll find that we have the same full leather interior. However, both these front seats are heated and electrically adjustable as well. As you can see just down there, we have the blue stitching, premium Harman Kardon sound system. The driver's side has the memory function on the seat, electric windows, try that for the rear, electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just there, and again the ambient lighting, the auto wipers, multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on either side. If we take a seat inside, you'll find the speed limiter and cruise control just there. We also have the digital dashboard up top. So we put our foot on the brake and press the start button. Let's just turn the radio down. You'll find that this vehicle is free from any warning lights, as you can see. We can switch the different dials, so if we go into a sport mode, you'll find it changes just like so, back into comfort or onto Eco Pro. So moving over onto the centre console, you find the main infotainment screen. Again, if we go into comfort, sport, it changes on there as well. We also have the sat nav on here, so as you can see we have the sat nav just there. We have a range of media such as the radio where you find the FM, DAB and AM radio, the music collection, the Bluetooth audio and the screen mirroring, the phone connectivity just there. We also have a range of apps just there along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto as well. Going on to the home, you'll find all of these options just here. So if we go to car, go into the driving information, this is where you find the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Back onto the settings now, if we go over onto the interior lighting, this is where you'll find the ambient lighting. So we're currently on orange. If we change to blue for example, you may be able to see just there, it changes to blue. Looks much better when it is dark. If we go back onto the home, put the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera just there with the parking sensors. Putting it back into park low. If you press this button just here, you'll find the intelligent safety, making it a very safe car to drive. We also have the climate control down here with the heated seats on either side, ice cold air conditioning as well, all working just as it should do. Inside of here you find some storage space, the wireless phone charging, of a 12-volt connectivity, two good sized cup holders and a USB port. That can be closed off just like so. The gear stick just here, we have the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, all the different drive mode buttons, we have the parking sensors button, traction control, auto start, we have the electric handbrake, nice leather armrest just here, which can be opened up for more storage. Instead of there you find a Type-C USB port. If you press this button just up here, then you'll find that the sunroof will now just fold all the way back. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. We also have the heads-up display as well, which I forgot to mention.
Video test drive of this 2019 BMW 320d. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not as fast with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, it's going straight to the truth, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now this vehicle does come with just under £7,000 worth of optional extras included, so it is a very nicely spec'd out vehicle. You have your heads-up display, you have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers that do sound absolutely incredible. Now they are the loudspeakers and really do go very, very loud and are very, very good quality. We have the digital dash in front of me, which changes look when you change through the drive modes. We have the big satellite navigation screen in the centre, where you can find your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. You also have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in there as well. Front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Now you have full leather seats throughout this vehicle. Two front seats are also have the extended fire support and are heated. Driver's seat is fully heated, electric and memory. Now you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. I have a multi-function steering wheel with cruise control and speedometer on the left hand side, and also paddle shift on the rear if you wish to take the car into manual mode. Now we have your BMW individual trim throughout this vehicle, matched with the leather and also the ambient lighting, which is a nice theme all around this vehicle. Now when it's night time, the vehicle rear does come to life with the ambient lighting and also the screens when they're lit up. You have your different drive modes, you have your adaptive, Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and you do also get your Sport individual. You have your electric parking brake with auto hold, so I'm currently stopped at some temporary traffic lights and it is holding me firmly in place as it just puts the parking brake on so you don't roll away. And I'm still in drive, so I won't move until I touch the throttle. Now we have the soft touch leather armrest just there with storage underneath. You get a USB-C port in there as well. Now here at Ask Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 500 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and CarGurus. Now if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good they are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. We do offer free nationwide next day delivery, so wherever you are in the country we can facilitate that delivery, whether you're up in Scotland or down in Cornwall and Devon. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial estate. I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, put it straight into reverse, just showing the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the camera just there on the centre screen. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you were test driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs. If you're listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if I haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any of those unanswered questions and inquiries. Now you do get a panoramic the sunroof, which is now open. You can open the blind, or you can just open the full sunroof. Now I've had the blind closed just to save any air getting in to disrupt what I'm saying. But that's it for me in this walk around video. But a test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.